Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Gun Fishing. We're gonna do a bit of creek fishing today. There's a lot of current, if you can see, and there's of course a high chance of me skunking out, which is part of the deal. We're going to use a very small, an ultralight rod, a trout magnet, and a pair of scissors that I'm trying to find. I have them. Also, I think some of my worms are dead. They're not moving that much. I think they're half dead. So there's my scissors. I need them to cut the worms, but we're using the worms mostly for a smell slash taste, and for the fish to hold on to the lure just a little bit longer. It's not the main attractant. We're using a snap-on bobber here. So I'm just gonna put the worm on any which way. Like I said, it's more of a attractant than anything else. You can try also the regular attractant, which I recently got, and we're going to throw it. I'm fishing maybe a foot underneath the bobber, if you can see it. It gets pulled away too far, it's fine. The current is okay to carry our stuff. We don't get snagged too much. Something there, probably not, but I don't think there's any fish in there. I've never been able to get anything. So now we got into the current. See if there's anybody in that particular area. Not really. Sometimes they go right by the... Oh! Fish! Oh, I got a bite. For sure I got a bite. See if you can get them out. I don't know who it was. Did I get him? Yep, I got him. A very, very small sunny. Right here. Thank you for playing. So, it's not a big area. Like I said, right in the seam. Come here and I don't get attacked by ticks and everything else. I want to also throw it in there. Oops. Not a good pitch by any means, but he was right there where the seam is. That's a little closer to the area. Even judging by Sunny's rate, it's kind of small. Is there more than one? I still have the worm on, so another one, same one. Dude, you gotta chill. Look at this. Take a picture of him. Hold this. The hands. Let's try not to fall anywhere. There's a little path that we can go through. And can come over here and not fall through the grate, and then what we're going to do is throw it here, because not the most comfortable position, but they might be by the stones here. or This branch is just all kinds of annoying. There you go. A little bit deeper. Sometimes there's fish there too. Okay. Oh yeah. Somebody grabbed it. There you go. A nicer sunfish. A little bigger size. Come here. See, sometimes you want to use a shorter shorter rods for areas like this. My hook. Get my rod out of here. So for now I'm signing off while trying to get out of this area. Thank you for joining me on this short expedition. Whatever, that sounds weird. Thank you for joining me on this short trek, short attempt, whatever it is. It was fun. So, tight lines.